They're trying to take the city of Qaim on the border between Iraq and Syria. This year, Iraqi forces backed by the US-led anti-Daesh coalition have retaken Mosul, Tal Afar and Hawazah. Many of the terror group's fighters fled over the border. For more, let's bring in James Dorsey. He's a senior fellow at the S. Rajaratnam School of International Studies at Singapore's Nanyang Technological University. James, what will the challenges of the battle to retake Qaim be?
Well, once Qaim has been taken, you effectively have driven, or at least deprived the Islamic State of any territory within Iraq. That doesn't defeat the group or erase it. Much will depend on how the primarily Shiite government of Iraq reaches out to the Sunnis in the northern parts of Iraq, where the Islamic State once was.